guys, you're going to absolutely love this.
Right guys, don't walk to Tesco's, run to Tesco's. And looks like Lucy's not in the mood today. Right, let's grab a basket and let's get to it. First off, I'm going to grab myself some of these peppers, $1.69, Aldi price matched. Next, I'm going to grab myself an onion. Also, some finger licking chicken, and that's only $2.35, Aldi price matched. Next on the list are some chopped tomatoes, again, Aldi price matched. Is there any point in going to Aldi? You might as well come to Tesco's. Right, I need some fajita seasoning, but I think I'm going to go for the smoky fajita seasoning, and that's 85 pence. And finally, I need some rice. You can pick any you want from 65 pence up to £1.40. So do you know what? I'm going to pick these Mexican style ones from Uncle Ben's. I'm going to get 2 of those. Right, where's Lucy? Lucy!
Salad cream.
Never mind virgin salad cream. Lucy, cook me something up.
Easy.
Right, so back home now, Lucy. So what exactly you going to be making me?
Well, I'm just going to be making a really simple one-pot chicken fajita and rice. Easy. Starting off with cutting my onion. And no, guys, I am not naked. I'm not the naked chef. I'm wearing clothes. Once the onion's all cut up, I'm now cutting up my chicken. And that goes into a hot oil pan. While that's cooking away, I'm just going to cut up my peppers. And in they go as well with the onion and chicken. Give it a stir up. And guys, why not press the follow button for more savvy meals? So that's been cooking away for about 10 minutes now, and it's all nicely browned, absolutely smelling delicious. And we're going to get the fajita seasoning straight in there. Get that all in, like so. We're going to also make sure everything is coated. Give it a good stir. Now get your chopped tomatoes in. Also stir that all in.
That smells absolutely gorgeous.
And the only staple I'm really using is tomato puree. So just going to put about 1/4 of a tube in and stir that. Along with half a can of water. And the final thing to do is get your rice in. This doesn't need to be preheated. You get it straight in just like that. And you can use any rice you like. And guys, I'd just like to thank you all for sharing it out. If you could just do a quick share and a like, it just promotes this page, gets it all out. Couldn't do this without you. So thank you very much. And that is ready to serve up. Absolutely massive portion size. Really, really good quality food. And cheap and cheerful as well.
And there you go, guys. A lovely savvy meal. Do you know what? I love these one-pot meals. Right. Let's get straight in there and give it a try. Lucy, that is gorgeous.
And do you know what you could do? You could have some sour cream on top. You could have some cheese on top if you wanted to. You could even put it on a jacket potato or put it in a wrap.
There you go, guys. Give it a try. And don't forget to follow the page for more savvy meals.